I've recently made a video in Blender showing you how to hide the gizmo when you're working, and now I'm going to show you how to do that in Maya. So right now I am posing my character, and I've got this rotational gizmo, and I want to grab the controllers on the fingers, and there are lots of different controllers. It's really hard to grab them though because the gizmo gets in the way. So when I select, I can only re-click on that gizmo. So there's a keyboard shortcut to hide that and get you into select mode, and that is the letter Q. Once you select that, you'll be in select mode and you can jump around, and then to get back the gizmo, you don't select Q again, you select the keyboard shortcut. So for rotate, mine would be E. So I select E and I'm back in rotate. I can make the moves that I want. Q, hide it again, select what I want, E, back to rotate. You'll find that these shortcuts will be vital in working, and you'll work much faster and more efficiently if you know them, and they'll become like second nature to you. So if this helps, which I hope it did, please join me for more videos in Maya and beyond, and I will see you soon.